Hey guys, what's going on? Guess what? I got another unboxing for you. Who's got a new purse? This girl right here. Yes, and I'm going to be showing it off today. So if you guys are interested in seeing my new Louis Vuitton Totally Monogram tote, then stay tuned so you can check that out. So thank you for joining me today, guys. You know me. I love a pre-loved item. I'm all about recycle, reuse, getting a great deal. I love a luxury designer item, but at a fraction of the price. I get my items, sometimes they're in great condition, and I love me something that is pre-owned. So I got my tote. I've been waiting for this for a while because I don't know if you remember, I did another video. I was trying to find a LV tote that wasn't the Neverfull, because I'm just tired of seeing the Neverfull. I see the Neverfull everywhere, and I can't. But I needed some kind of like a tote bag. So anyhow, I got this one. It's the Totally MM size monogrammed Louis Vuitton tote. I have all kind of issues today. Just excuse me. My hair is crazy. It's just a crazy day. Anyhow, but let's see what I got here. So, look at here. It's in this box. I'm so excited. So, let's see what we got here. Open up this box. Oh, I even got the little receipt in the envelope. So, that's super, super exciting. My goodness. Even the paper, the envelope pouch is like of good quality. Anyhow, so here it is. It's in the box. It's in the dust bag. I got the dust bag and everything. Okay, so that is exciting. So let's take that on out and take a look at it. Oh, I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this for a while. And I had said, I'm sorry, I said it was the MM size. It's the PM size. Excuse me. I apologize. So, oh my goodness, look at it. It is wonderful. So the the thing I like the most about this bag is the side pockets. I am super excited about the side pockets, and that's another thing about the Neverfull that I did not like, is that it didn't have any side pockets. So my plan is to put like a water bottle in here. When I'm running out the door for work, I can just throw my keys in here, my cell phone, and a water bottle. Okay, so I'm excited about that. It has a zipper top. Okay, it's in really, really good condition here. It looks like it's just in great condition all the way around here. So it has the zipper top, so that's good. It has a nice big zipper pull here. And another good thing about it is it has the flat handles. So it has a nice drop. Okay, so it's not like in your armpit. And it's nice and comfortable without the little small straps like that a Neverfull would have. So it's going to be a lot more comfortable, I feel, on my arm. I can just kind of have it right there. So yeah, I'm excited about this bag. On the inside, let's check that out. So this one I got a really good deal on it. This one, so it has the D-ring, so that's good. So I think I'm going to connect my 6-ring key holder. I have a little clip for it, so I'm gonna just attach that there. It has a nice big slotted pocket here, one, and then it has 2 slotted pockets here. So lots and lots of pockets on the Totally. That's one of the great things about it, because then it's like, you know, I can put my phone here, I can put things here. I'll have all my organizers. I'm gonna put my organizer, my bag organizer in here. That way I can keep everything all together. But I am super, super excited. Has some wear on the handles. It's already has been patinaing. Has patina, a really dark honey color already, which is good. I like that. It's kind of like a caramel color now at this point. But that's great. I think I'm gonna put my luggage tag. So I think I'm gonna do a what's in my bag. When I do that what's in the bag, then we can see what I'll be able to show you what all I get in here. But I'm excited about my bag. It fits all comfortable. I am ready. It is perfect. So I'll do some mod shots too with it on me. All right, but other than that, I am good to go. So you guys have a great day. Thank you for joining me today. All right, please, please, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe below. And that way you can see more videos. I'm making videos every Monday, so don't forget to come back and join me. Have a great day.